What happens to your body when you quit sugar for 2 weeks? Sugar is everywhere, hidden in processed foods, beverages, and even so-called healthy snacks. While a little sugar may seem harmless, excessive consumption can lead to numerous health problems, including obesity, diabetes, and inflammation. If you quit sugar for just 2 weeks, your body undergoes remarkable changes. Let's explore what happens step by step. But before that, welcome to Healthy Living Lovers, where we discuss about food and health. Subscribe and turn the notification bell so you don't miss any of our educative videos. Don't forget to share to save life. Now, what happens to your body when you quit sugar for 2 weeks? 1. You lose weight. One of the most noticeable benefits of quitting sugar is weight loss. Sugar contributes to weight gain in several ways. Excess sugar is converted into fat, especially around the belly. High-calorie intake. Sugary foods and drinks are calorie-dense but lack essential nutrients, leading to overeating. Reduced cravings. Sugar spikes and crashes cause hunger pangs, making you eat more frequently. When you cut sugar, your body burns stored fat for energy, leading to steady and natural weight loss. Within 2 weeks, you may notice your clothes fitting better and your midsection appearing leaner. 2. Cravings between meals go away. Sugar triggers a rollercoaster effect on your blood sugar levels. It causes a temporary spike, followed by a sharp drop, which leads to intense cravings for more sugar or refined carbohydrates. When you stop consuming sugar, your blood sugar levels stabilize, and you feel satisfied for longer after meals. Hunger pangs and the need to snack frequently disappear. Your reliance on sugary treats for an energy boost diminishes. By the end of 2 weeks, you'll find yourself naturally craving healthier foods instead. 3. More energy. Sugar provides a quick but temporary energy boost, often followed by a crash that leaves you feeling fatigued. When you eliminate sugar, your body switches to using fat and protein for sustained energy. This leads to steady energy levels throughout the day, increased endurance and stamina, better focus and mental clarity. Instead of depending on sugar highs, your body learns to maintain a consistent and reliable source of energy. 4. Less stiffness, pain, and inflammation. Sugar is a major contributor to inflammation, which can cause joint pain and stiffness, muscle aches and headaches, increased risk of chronic diseases like arthritis. By cutting sugar, your body reduces inflammation, leading to better mobility, less pain, and improved overall comfort. Many people report feeling lighter and more flexible within just 2 weeks. 5. Better skin. Sugar accelerates aging and contributes to skin issues like acne, wrinkles, and dullness by breaking down collagen and elastin. When you quit sugar, your skin becomes clearer, with fewer breakouts. Hydration and elasticity improve, making your skin look younger. Your complexion appears more radiant and even-toned. Many people notice a visible glow in their skin after just a few weeks without sugar. 6. Your face and midsection will change. Sugar consumption leads to water retention and bloating, making your face appear puffy and your midsection bloated. When you stop consuming sugar, facial puffiness reduces, giving you a more defined look. Bloating in the stomach decreases, making your waistline appear slimmer. Excess water weight is eliminated, helping you feel lighter and more comfortable. These changes make a significant difference in how you look and feel. 7. Improves insulin resistance. Over time, excessive sugar consumption can lead to insulin resistance, which increases the risk of type 2 diabetes. When you cut sugar, your insulin levels stabilize, allowing your body to use glucose more efficiently. Blood sugar levels remain steady, reducing the risk of diabetes. Your body becomes more responsive to insulin, improving overall metabolic health. These changes not only help prevent diabetes but also improve your overall well-being. 8. Improves eyes, brain, arteries, and kidneys. Excess sugar negatively affects vital organs, leading to long-term damage. When you stop consuming sugar. For eyes, high sugar levels damage blood vessels in the eyes, leading to blurry vision. Cutting sugar helps maintain clear vision and reduces the risk of eye diseases. For brain, sugar disrupts cognitive function, causing brain fog and memory issues. Without sugar, focus and mental clarity improve. For arteries, sugar contributes to artery stiffness, increasing the risk of heart disease. Eliminating sugar leads to better circulation and heart health. For kidneys, excess sugar overworks the kidneys, increasing the risk of kidney disease. Reducing sugar intake allows kidneys to function more efficiently, improving overall detoxification. 9. Decreases urination at night. Excessive sugar consumption forces the kidneys to work harder to filter and eliminate excess glucose. This often results in frequent urination, especially at night. Disrupted sleep due to multiple trips to the bathroom. Dehydration, causing fatigue and dry skin. When you quit sugar, your kidneys function more effectively, reducing nighttime urination and improving sleep quality. Quitting sugar for 2 weeks can be challenging at first, but the benefits are truly transformative. From weight loss and clearer skin to improved energy and better organ function, your body experiences remarkable positive changes. By making this commitment, you set the foundation for a healthier, more vibrant life. Stick with it, and your body will thank you. We care for your well-being. Share this video to save life and don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell for our next video update. See you next time, bye.